Hello, I'm Tech Teacher and I will share a new tech tip to you today. How to set up Cloudflare 1.1.1 DNS on Windows 10. You can enjoy a faster web browsing with 1.1.1. First, go to Control Panel app. It is in the Windows System folder at the Start menu. Go to Network and Internet. Then go to Network and Sharing Center. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the Wi-Fi network or Ethernet you are using. Then tap Properties. Find and tap Internet Protocol version 4, TCP or IPv4. Then tap Properties. Tap using the following DNS server addresses. Tap 1.1.1 in the first box. Tap 1.0.0.1 at the second box. Tap OK to save your settings. All done. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Please discover more in my channel.